they put this shirt seat cover on here. Try to rip the engine out. Ooh, there's some valve smack, and that's new. Ooh, that's bad. That might be a timing issue. This looks like I'm gonna have to do a lot of research. Well, everybody, welcome back to a new episode, and welcome back to the Career Cage. In this episode, we're going to be working on this big behemoth. Let's get started. Well, as I explained in the last episode, I'm going to be working on this, and there's a few issues that might be wrong with the top end. And yeah, I haven't done really anything to this thing at all, except for play with the carburetor. And I found out that the guys who sold it to me, they put this shirt seat cover on here for no good reason. This old original seat cover is still just fine. So I don't know really what's first, other than just disassembling the torque converter and trying to rip out the engine. I'll probably just put you guys on time-lapse mode so I don't take up too much space, and yeah, I guess let's just get started. Now, I want to say just a little quick thing right here. Whenever you have a bunch of bolts that are all different sizes, put them in order which way you took them off. Luckily for me, all I gotta do is remember that this shorty goes in the short hole. But anyway, back to work. And here's another little tip I got. Whenever you're trying to take the belt off, you don't have to take the pulleys off. You just gotta like roll it off of that one, and then it just comes off. And with this, to unloosen this so it don't spin, they do make a special wrench thing for it, but I found if you just stick a small little crowbar in there, it holds it just fine. So yeah, let's get back to work again. Well, everybody, here's another little quick tip. These pulleys, these front pulleys, are basically impossible to get off. Even with a pulley puller thing, you have to get one of these special things that go on the inside. And on the inside, there's threads. This kind of just acts like a, I guess almost like an internal pulley puller thing. But yeah, let's get this thing off, get the back cover, and then I think I can start unhooking like the oil lines and other electrical stuff. Well, let's get back to work. Okay, everybody, I got the torque converter and the plate off, and I was doing the oil lines in there, but I forget those are barb connectors, and those are a pain in the ass to get off. So I think I'm going to try to disconnect the wiring stuff take the gas tank off, and then fiddle with the oil lines. But I won't bore you guys with all that, so I'll just come back when I'm ready to take the engine out. Okay, everybody, well, I got basically everything detached from the engine that I can think of. Oh, I still need to do the exhaust, take that off. But other than that, I think it's time to loosen all the bolts all over the place, try to rip the engine out. And every time I've ever done this, it's always been a real pain in the butt. So, hopefully it doesn't do that this time. Hopefully I got a little bit of practice at it. But, let me disconnect the exhaust and I'll probably try to do a little bit of a cool montage for you guys. Let's get after it. I'll get this thing. Well, everybody, this thing is loose. I'm pretty sure everything is loose from it. So yeah, this is probably going to take a while to get it out. A lot of Jimmy and everything. So I'll put you guys on the time-lapse mode so you can watch me struggle. And let's try to get this engine out for today. It's getting a little late for this afternoon. Well, everybody, this is the engine finally out. This thing's a lot heavier than I remember it. But yeah, the sun has went down. I think I'll take and start working on this separately tomorrow. Hopefully I can get most of it filmed, although I'm probably going to have some help. So most of tomorrow is probably going to be what do you call it, time lapses and stuff. Anyway, see you guys tomorrow. Well, everybody, this is day 2 of this. So yeah, let's just crack open this valve cover and everything to try to check for the valve seals and everything. But yeah, let's just get started. Okay, everybody. Now all these seals have been resealed with a lot of RTV. So yeah, I don't think I'm gonna be able to just pop it off. Maybe. Yeah, I'll have to get my razor blade. Okay, let's try to cut this without cutting the gasket inside. I think I might just have to get all new gaskets, most likely, anyway. Yeah, this is going to be a very touchy process, so I'll just come back when I'm ready to remove the case or the cover. Okay, maybe this won't be so touchy. I might be able to rock this and pry it open. Now I am using the back of the razor blade. Well, the gasket tore pretty bad. Yeah, that gasket's kind of trash now. Well, I'm definitely going to have to get a new gasket, at the very least. This gasket's trash. Okay, well, I can't really inspect the valve seals until I get the head off. And then I can do all of this stuff, but I need to take cam off and some other stuff. So since there is videos out there online how to take these engines apart, I'll probably just let you guys look up one of the videos, since this is a pretty simple engine. But yeah, I'll come back when I discover something or something like that. But yeah. Okay, everybody, I got basically most of the top end disassembled. Oh, I forgot these. Well, I guess I'll be back in a minute after I get these bolts done. Okay, now I think all the bolts are done. All these are loose. Now I just need to break the head away from the jug. Now I know this probably ain't the best, but I'm going to have to get all new gaskets anyway. Dang, this one don't want to let go. I might have to find the mallet and try to smack it off. Okay, I got the putty knife in there. Couldn't find the mallet. Okay, now the head's coming off. Okay, there's the head and the piston. Yeah, everything don't really look bad. I'm going to try to take this gasket off real quick. Oh, it's going to be a lot of cleanup. Gasket looks more or less fine. There is some tear out, but there's a lot of that other stuff as well. It's got these stupid bolts again. Well, I'm probably going to focus on the head first. I'll probably just go ahead and take these valve springs and stuff out. Everything. Let me disassemble this head real quick. Let me disassemble this head, and then I'll get back to you. Okay, everybody, something I realized when I was going getting tools. See how this one has two valve stem keepers? This one looks like one got pushed down, and I'm pretty sure there used to be valve caps on this. So, they might be in there somewhere. Hopefully not. But, yeah, let me try to take these valves apart, and I'll be back. Okay, everybody, after much redneck ingenuity, finally got those stems out. And I don't know how well you guys can see it, but these valve seals look fine. This one, it's got a little bit of a like burr or whatever on it, but I don't think that's nearly enough to make it smoke as bad as it was, because you can see it was smoking pretty bad. I mean, both of these are really covered in carbon deposits. Well, I don't really want to take off this jug quite yet. I probably should. Ooh, there's some valve smack, and that's new. Ooh, that's bad. Yeah, guys, this might be it for today. Yeah, I might have to do some research or something on this. Take some pictures of this, post it on some Facebook groups, all that good groovy bullshit. Yeah, I'll probably have this thing assembled maybe by the time I upload this video, but probably not. So if you guys know like different problems of these engines, let me know so I can try to figure this out. I really want to get this thing running and do some stuff with it, but uh yeah, let me go do some research and everything. Well, everybody, it's the next day, so this is day number 3 on this thing. um Last night me and my brother took the jug off of the case, and yeah, as I showed yesterday, this little smack where the piston smacked the exhaust. A lot of people on Facebook groups was saying that might be a timing issue, which is very possible. And yeah, I just took out the first ring and put it in here, and yeah, that's far too much of a gap. I forgot how much I gapped these by accident. And everybody online was saying these valve seals look all worn out and everything, but yet these valve seals are, I put these valve seals in the last time I was in this, and it's got maybe I don't know, 4 or 5 hours of runtime on it. The only thing it could be is maybe since this thing was burning a lot of oil burns hotter, so it might have heated up these and made them a little stiff. But I put the valves in, put my finger over them, pulled them, and they made a pop sound. So they should be nice and sealed. Um, but yeah, this looks like I'm going to have to do a lot of research and try to find parts. Because some people were saying that that Polaris doesn't make parts for anything over 20 years old. And this is 23 years old. So I'm going to have to look around and try to find the best aftermarket parts manufacturer. And one thing I've always heard with this particular type of engine, is that I might be able to fit a 500cc of the same type engine head and cylinder and piston and all that. I might be able to put that on this engine, and then I'll be able to have water cooling, because that little door, that little plate right there, is on the 500 series. It's supposed to be the water pump and everything. So let me know in the comments below if you guys have ever done that or heard of people doing that. And yeah. But yeah, everybody, I'm probably going to have to end this video here. Yeah, like I say, I'm probably just going to have to end it, do a lot of research, and then bring you guys back with a new video whenever I get things ordered and all that stuff. And if any of you guys, especially the people that I've been talking to on Facebook groups, if any of you know any good links or websites or any good places to buy OEM parts, let me know in the comments below. But yeah, guys, that'll be it for this video. I still need to wash everything and try to cover everything up, because I think in a week or 2 or so we should be getting some rain, so I don't need to let water get in this stuff. But yeah, anyway, guys, drop links below in the comments. See if you want me to make different videos. I've been making like some resin projects, so see if you comment below, see if you guys want to see anything like that, anything artsy or anything like that. And yeah, I'll have to see you on the next one. Like, share, subscribe, comment, and I'll see you on the next one.